channel. And we're at Salvation Army and we're doing a thrift store challenge. So, okay, anyways, so all the stuff is in the back. Well, my stuff's in the back seat. Grace's stuff is on the floor.
I'm
I
like
probably
excited.
just took a crotch shot. I'm excited too.
I feel like this is probably... one of the most successful thrift store finds that I've had. Like, as far as personally, because I would actually wear the outfits that I got.
Thank you
know?
for sharing. We love a sharing sister.
Just because the camera loves me, so.
Here's the challenge. We went in to Salvation Army together, and picked out outfits based off of Pinterest pictures for the fall season. Everything you could get, like if you could get shoes, pants, belt, shirt, purse, like if
Did you
could.
get a belt?
Yeah, and a purse, and shoes.
I got
New shoes.
a purse.
But got the full outfit. We're gonna recreate the picture that we based the look off of, compare each other, see who did better. That's it. There were no limits on price or anything,
Yeah,
but we
no.
did spend the exact same. Yes, we'll do a haul together of what we got. We'll put the outfits together, recreate the look, and then you can tell us who did a better job. And that's the tea. So I found my things. I don't know how to feel. I can't switch the camera. We'll see. I feel like this isn't bad. Celeste, I'm still feeling worried. I said I'm still feeling worried. How are you feeling? I look like a janitor.
No.
My mouth just made the most disgusting noise. We picked out 2 looks minimum that you had to recreate using only thrift store items, but we had some stuff that we couldn't find at the thrift store, so we are
Like
just
pants.
using what we already own, like pants and shoes. So on the screen, while she's talking and hauling, I'll put what she was aiming for, and then vice versa, and then we'll show you the rest, and you guys can tell us who you think did a better job. Okay, so first off, I got this giant oversized black turtleneck, brand unknown because it's so old. Honestly, the tag just has a butterfly. I swear I think that is Fashion Bug.
Tea.
But my total for everything was $20 something, $30.
You can't say it.
I got this cowl neck sweater, and it is the brand unknown. Tag is ripped off, and I'm pairing it with this jean jacket. Really cute with some of the same black high-waisted jeans. Got this sweater. Yes, it is ugly at first, but understand me when I say that it is going to look so cute. I got a really cute belt at the thrift store, but it freaking broke right before we started filming. But I got this one a couple thrift hauls ago that I'm gonna wear with it too. The last outfit, I'm not gonna do like all of these, I have to decide which one. But I got this white turtleneck with these high-waisted mom jeans that I also already owned. I think these are from Charlotte Russe. I got this cute satchel to pair with it. Those are my looks. This is how heavy you were breathing. You were like...
So I first got this shirt. And it had shoulder pads in it, but I took them out because I can't go for that. Got this cardigan.
Love that.
She's really cute. A purse, but I don't know if I'm going to use this because...
No, it's cute. Thrifted as well.
It was $3.99.
You left the tag on. We love that. Like, I would look naked.
No, this will probably wash me out 110%. But
I like it.
Act confident, no cushion. The other thing is I got this white turtleneck, brand new, so I was like, okay.
And it's freaking cheap.
I was gonna cut it too, but I completely forgot. And I got this beautiful, like, what color is this? Maroon? Burgundy?
Maroon. It's maroon.
Like,
or what's the difference between burgundy and maroon?
I don't know.
Now what we're gonna do is put these all together into a completed look so you guys can see, because I'm sure us holding up really ugly grandpa / men's sweaters is confusing for you, but we'll show you. We're gonna get into it, and then I don't know what I'm saying. It literally
Other
does.
things will happen.
You kind of look like a movie character.
Harry Potter?
I don't know. I don't watch
I
Harry
don't watch
Potter.
Harry Potter either, but I hear people refer to him, and then I looked it up, and I'm like, okay, me.
This is the pic. It's 80 degrees, and I'm in a turtleneck.
Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? You should see the things we do. Are you ready for it? In the middle of the night, in my dreams, you should see the things we do, baby.
Hungry.
I know, I'm ready for Chipotle, honestly.
This is the life of a fashion blogger. You know,
Like-
interesting stuff.
Watch out for my blog post.
No hate to any fashion bloggers. This is just clearly not
I look-
our, what's it called?
Forte.
It's not
At all. Anyway, what was your favorite one?
One that I would actually wear is this one. And I think I like the striped sweater. What about you, girlfriend?
Least favorite is probably this.
Oh, you're glowing.
Just because I don't like the way that it looked together.
I thought it was cute.
But yeah, but I wouldn't wear that. Like, I wouldn't pair those two things together. Favorite, like the one that I would wear, is probably like the black jeans and the sweater.
The
like
nude
a
sweater.
little-
Yes. Very, very
but
cute.
I do really love that jacket.
I think this is a fun thing to do, and it's an easy way to get outfit inspiration, so that if you like wanted to go thrift shopping, you could look on Pinterest beforehand, and then you know what you're looking for
Yeah.
and how to put things together. Because we were talking too, half the stuff that we bought, we would not have bought had we not seen a picture of
Yeah.
it in an outfit on Pinterest.
And I think a lot of the stuffs that we did buy like that, we really like. Like, you really like that sweater. I
Yes.
really like that jacket. I like the cardigan that went with this.
I like this a
with
lot.
something else.
Yes.
Like, I would probably
Never
wear,
by itself.
No, I would probably wear black skinny jeans, a like belt with a buckle, and then like a jean jacket
Yes.
with like my hair curled and like actual makeup on.
Yes.
So she looks like.
It's a thrift store shopping hack for you guys, because you guys literally always ask. I look for colors, textures, and patterns that I would really like.
And you just have to be creative.
Yeah, and you just, I don't know, like this probably never would have bought on its own, but with jean jacket, it's cute. So yeah. It's Trey. I have a basketball game today.
What?
You've never seen
Kanye
that?
West is my dad.
Hi guys, my name's Trey. I have a basketball game today. So if you want to go to Disneyland, then come on down.
Wow.
And you look like my husband. You look like Jonathan. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Not a thumbs down. Hit the subscribe button down below. And if you wanna comment below which person you think did a better job
And what your favorite outfit was.
what your favorite outfit was.
So,
anyways, we could do one for each season or whatever. Or what? You cute, but you a stranger.
Can you tell
or whatever. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you love on someone today. Make them feel like the most special thing in the whole the whole entire world.
If I dream of you, if I dream of you,